what's up nail art addict? This is Haley and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did these Paisley nails using a water decal, so keep on watching. I'm gonna start this mani with Holo Taco peel off base coat. Next, I'm gonna use this bright white from Picture Polish and I'm gonna apply 2 coats. The water decals that I'm gonna use today is from H2O and I get this from the Picture Polish website. So if you guys are interested, I will put the link down in the description below so you guys can get one for yourself. I'm gonna cut this water decal into small pieces and I'm gonna remove that plastic cover before I dip it inside the water. So I dip these water decals for a few seconds. After that, it will be easily slide off and I can just put it on my nails. So I'm gonna cut some of the excess all around my nail and I'm gonna get a brush and some acetone and just dissolve the rest of this decal. And to finish it off, I'm gonna apply this Holo Taco Glossy Taco. And that's it, I'm done. These water decals is very easy to use. Well, any water decals is very easy to use. Anybody can do nail art using a water decals. So what do you guys think of my design? Let me know down in the comment below. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more nail art. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. I'll see you guys soon, okay? Bye!